One thing what I have said, that you need to have a appointment letter. And the appointment letter is also important because there has to be a communication with the previous auditor if at all there is someone who's the other than the auditor who has audited the last year audit and not a continuing auditor. So please do not think that communication is required only in the case of company. The communication is required in any assurance work if I am doing in respect of the tax audit also.
Sorry, question. Sorry.
Huh?
Uh, like you said, we have to take communicate to the previous auditor. One question is in my mind. Even received a query. Even I am taking some queries also there. That when should we take the when should we give the communication to previous auditor, before signing the balance sheet, yeah, before signing the tax audit report, or when we receive the tax audit? At which time we have to do? And what
See,
institute say?
you see, if an appointment is being accepted by you,
Yes, sir.
in that case, before acceptance
Okay.
and signing,
Okay.
you should obtain in so-called NOC, what we call in normal parlance.
Yeah,
But we do not require NOC.
NOC, exactly.
We require a communication and a positive reply and anything which you want to communicate. The only one thing which we require to assure it that any admitted fees of my fellow brother should be paid prior to signing the document and accepting the appointment itself. And when I communicate my member, I should say positively that I have gone through the audited accounts and I have not found that anything is due, or if it is due, then it is being paid by the client or is being remitted to you and a document is being shown to me.
For example, like I have received a tax audit in August, and I have accepted, but I have not signed the balance sheet, and I will sign the balance sheet in 30th September, for example. And on 10th September, I just send a mail to the previous auditor that I have been appointed into this company or firm for tax auditor. So is it valid?
Actually, if you ask me, you can say very strictly,
Yeah.
the question of valid and not valid is not that important.
Okay.
The question is this: the communication should be complete,
Okay.
and the other person should get a reasonable time to object if your appointment is not proper,
Okay.
or is because of certain legal problem, or because of for example, if suppose I am a auditor.
Okay.
Now I have been removed in the next year because in the last year I have qualified certain things.
Okay.
Now I become an inconvenient auditor. So the client will know that next year also is going to be a inconvenient. Now he want to change. So in that case, the communication, if goes to a auditor, he will give you the copy of the report also. He will give you his view that these are the things which are to be taken care and you should be careful about it.
Okay.
So it is a communication. No objection is not there. Please do not write in the letter, give me no objection.
Okay. Yeah.
I am communicating with you. If you have an objection, then please let us know within this much period. And you should, as a matter of good governance, communicate with the uh, outgoing auditor the moment you are appointed.
Okay.
Now, if suppose you are accepting an appointment on 28th September, 30th September is the last date. Let me tell you, you will be in trouble because 2 days will not be enough for the communication with the client, outgoing auditor. So be careful while accepting the audit in the last minute, because the institute may ask you how you have done in 2 days.
Exactly. Right.
Then what are your working paper? So wherever there is a dispute, we do not indulge and enter. Let me tell you, litigation cost is very high, and the remuneration which you might be receiving is very less or not in consonance in consonant with the amount of expenditure which you have to incur when you will represent your case in case any misuse or any code of conduct violation is being reported to the issue.
Even institute is taking many actions.
Lot of
Yeah,
action.